Let him climb up, sweetie. Let him climb up.
Okay. Can I slide real quick, Max?
No, let him go up.
Okay.
Good boy.
Wanna come out the other way? Let's see if you can come out the other way. Ready? You can't go down. Let's slide down. I got you. Don't worry.
Yay! Good boy.
Can I go real quick, Daddy?
I just want you to take care of your brother first. Don't worry about yourself.
I have to show you something.
Yay, man!
Okay with the milk today.
Good. Yay! Let him slide and let's see him do it the real way when he's ready.
Are you ready for it? Let's listen to see if we can hear the puzzle.
Good boy.
Slide. You mean to slide by yourself?
Yeah, without holding him.
Okay, Daddy.
Wait, let's see when he's ready.
Down there somewhere. Can you find Daddy, look this. I want to show you something. Look.
Oh.
Did you see it?
Hey, go watch your brother. Look.
See, you right there. You try to climb that?
Come on, Max. Good boy.
Wait, I gotta get behind you, okay? I gotta get behind you to get you, okay?
Good boy.
Ready? Can you stand while I'm right there? So I don't have to fall.
He'll be
Can you tell
okay.
Mommy it's not my fault?
Hey, hey, just relax. Good boy. Yay!
You did it! He did it all by himself in the front.
Hi, baby Max.
Wanna move this forward?
Hi, baby Max.